Hello there, family friends. If you feel comfortable, Joey Jones is back on the road. But first, let me say congratulations to all the ones that passed and got the CDLs and already driving on their own. I have a couple of things that I need to share with you today, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, let's get to it. Well, first, let me say, I got a couple of emails, and I want to answer a couple of questions here. And this is really important what I'm about to say to you guys. And right now, we have the customer getting ready to get a live load, and we're gonna go ahead and get this video started. Well, let me tell you something. I really appreciate your emails. You know, there's a couple of drivers that I have, and that that did the sacrifice. And what I want to bring here in this video today is there's a couple of guys that pretty much what they did was they took a fall. It's like they're already, they've been in companies working for a couple years, and then they decided to quit, and become a truck driver. And they already they took the courses, they took the training, they signed the paperwork, they authorized the company to get in their credits and run their credits. Now they have a debt they have to pay, which is the tuition, and they just gave up, And, let me tell you something, before I even started doing trucking, I didn't do homework myself, because I always thought that trucking, it just, go ahead, get your license, and you already start driving. No, it just don't work that way. That's what I thought myself. And I remember back then when my wife used to tell me, oh, you're not coming home fast. You're going to be over the road for a couple of months. And I'm like, no way. There's no way. There's a lot of people that I've seen on day cabs and they're home daily. Yes, that's true. But you have to work your way up to get there. You're not just going to go ahead and start driving a day cab on your own immediately. Well, yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that no, but it can be done. You just gotta be, I guess it has to be that day for you. I guess the luck, or maybe you have somebody that knows. Like a lot of people use reference, like, this is my cousin's in there, try to get me in there, and I only have a couple months experience, and this goes for a lot of people, man. A lot of people, they just go ahead and they just going the wrong way. What they're doing is they going back to the shops. It's like you're putting a 2 weeks notice and then you're going right back in. That's like the last thing I will ever do, man. Before I even try to do that, go back, no, because it's like you burn a couple of bridges before you went away, and then now you try to come back, you can't cross the bridge because you burned it down. You can't even get back in because they won't even hire you back. So it's a tough decision, man, and yes, it's a sacrifice because you have to do what you have to do, and sometimes you even have to start from the bottom, and you gotta sometimes let go, and but again, I always told everybody, to have faith. God has always been good to me, and why I say that, because everything worked out for me. I left my job, started, I did over the road, and it wasn't easy. Again, have faith and don't just quit like that, man, because you're right now, you're just signing you're signing, and you're just signing up contract that you don't even know how to get away with it. I mean, unless if you file bankruptcy or something, But what I'm trying to say is that keep strong, hold on to it, and do what you have to do. Trucking is not for everybody. And a lot of people, they just, they just think they're just going to go ahead and start driving a truck immediately. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to put in, you have to pay your dues. That's the last thing you want to try to do. Go back to your old job, man. It's like you told everybody you left, and yeah, it's embarrassing, But just be careful out there. You know, there's a couple of guys that did that already, you know. So, you know, I'm just looking out for you, man. Just looking at you, and I'm telling you like it is. It's the truth. Okay? So, I'll keep you posted. I'll go ahead and answer a couple of other emails that I have. And God bless you all. You know, drive safe. Have faith. Be safe. I'll see you in my next video. Love ya. Take care.